my YouTube channel, Born to Teach. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Unit 4, Krishna and Sudama. First of all, I directly go to the lesson and explain you. Then later we will do the rest. Let us read. As young boys, Krishna and Sudama were students in Sandipani's ashram. The Guru said, Sudama, you are saying the slokas so well. Many years passed. Sudama remained a poor man. Krishna became the lord of Dwaraka. Once, Sudama's wife begged him to go to Dwaraka and ask his friend to help him. All right, but I can't ask him for anything. Sudama set out on his journey to Dwaraka carrying a small gift for his friend. The gift was poha, which Krishna used to love. In Dwaraka, Sudama met his friend Krishna. Come, dear friend, I have told my wife Rukmini all about you. Sudama also was happy to see his dear childhood friend. Krishna saw that his friend had brought him a gift. What is this? He asked. Sudama replied, You have everything. This is some poha that my wife made for you. Krishna was so happy that his friend had remembered his favorite poha. He began to eat, but Rukmini stopped. She said, Don't finish everything. Leave some for us. Krishna and Sudama sat for a while and remembered their younger days. Sudama stayed with his friend for a few days. He was ready to start back home. Don't forget us, Sudama, said Krishna. Sudama left without asking Krishna for his help. He felt he was lucky to have a friend like Krishna. Sudama reached home after a long journey. He had a surprise. His small home was now a palace. His wife and children rushed out to greet him joyfully. All this is because of your friend. Thanks to Lord Krishna, said Sudama's wife. Okay, let me explain the story of this lesson, okay? Who is Krishna here? Krishna is the Lord. We all worship Krishna. You might have seen Krishna in animated cartoons, right, children? Yes? Now we are going to learn about the friendship of Krishna. Okay. At the same time, who is this Sudama? Sudama is the friend of Krishna. How you children have friends? The same thing. Krishna also had friend in his younger days. Sudama was the best friend of Krishna. Okay. Where did they study? In which school they studied? They studied in Sandipani's ashram. In olden days, they won't say school. They call the school as ashram. So, Krishna and Sudama were studying in Sandipani's ashram. Okay. Here, the Guru said, Who Who is the Guru? Guru is the teacher. Guru means teacher. Krishna and Sudama's teacher. What said the Guru? Guru said, Sudama, you are saying the sloka so well. Sudama is very brilliant boy. He always say the slokas very well. Okay, so the Guru praised Sudama. So many years passed. Both Krishna and Sudama grown up and they lead their own life. Sudama only remained a poor man. But Krishna became the Lord of Dwaraka. Dwaraka, what is meant by Dwaraka? Dwaraka is the place where Krishna lives. Dwaraka is the place where Krishna lives. He became the Lord of Dwaraka. Okay, Lord of Dwaraka means King of Dwaraka. Since Sudama's family leading a very poor life, Sudama's wife asked Sudama to get some help from his friend Krishna. But Sudama was not agreed to go and ask any help from Lord Krishna. But at last he set out a journey to Dwaraka, carrying a small gift to his friend. The gift was poha. Poha means what? Poha means it's a flattened rice or beaten rice. In Kannada, it is called as avalakki. Right? Okay. So what Sudama took to his friend? Poha as a gift. See, you can see this picture here, carrying poha, and he set out journey to Dwaraka. Dwaraka is a place where Krishna lives. So at last he reached Dwaraka and met his friend Krishna. Krishna was so happy to see Sudama, his friend Sudama, and he hugged him and embraced him, and he told his wife Rukmini about younger days. So they both sat and started chatting. By the time Krishna watched, Sudama is carrying something. So he asked his friend Sudama, "What is that?" Sudama replied, "It's your favorite dish, poha." So Krishna, once he got up and he started to eat it. Rukmini said in a huge voice, "Leave some for us. Let me taste it." So all together sat for a while and Krishna and Sudama remembered their olden days. Sudama stayed with Krishna for a few days. They were enjoying and it's time to get back to his home. Sudama want to go back to his home. So Krishna said to Sudama, "Don't forget my dear Sudama." But Sudama was so pleased with Krishna and he said, "I am the lucky to have you such a friend, Krishna." Actually, why did Sudama come to Krishna's place? To get some help. But Sudama did not ask any help from Krishna. After a long journey, he reached his home. And there was a surprise. His small home changed into a big palace. And his wife and children rushed to Sudama, greet him joyfully and said, "This is all because of your friend Lord Krishna. We are so thankful to Lord Krishna," said Sudama and his wife. Okay, now answer these questions. The first one, where were Krishna and Sudama studying? Krishna and Sudama studying in Sandipani's ashram. Second one, who became the Lord of Dwaraka? Lord Krishna became the Lord of Dwaraka. Third, what did Sudama take to give his friend? Sudama took some poha to his friend. Fourth one, did Sudama ask Krishna anything for himself? No, Sudama did not ask Krishna anything for himself. Fifth, What surprise did Sudama have when he reached home? His small home changed into big palace was a surprise. Or no? First one, Krishna and Rukmini were students in Sandipani's ashram. No. Krishna and Sudama, right? Second one, Krishna became the king of Dwaraka. Yes. Third, Sudama met his friend at Mathura. No. He met his friend at Dwaraka. Fourth, Krishna gave Sudama a lot of money in the palace. No. Fifth one, Sudama did not ask for anything. Yes. Children, you can match these words in the pictures given below. It is very easy. See, look here. Playing is here. Shining here. Bringing here. Sleeping and whooping. Let's learn new words. Who does not get on with who? Can you match them? Look here. First one, snake catch mongoose. Police catch thief. Rat is the prey of cat. Devata, Rakshasa. Lion catches rabbit for food. Look here, some opposites are there. Sudama was dash rich here. Rich is opposite poor. Our grandparents are dash young opposite old. I have a dash small doll. Small opposite big. Your dash friends may hurt you. Friend opposite enemy. Don't feel dash happy if you are hurt. Happy opposite sad. When we grow old, we dash remember many things. Remember opposite forget. I will dash give my friends help whenever I need. Give opposite take. Thank you. I hope my teaching reached you. If you want to grow your knowledge, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon, and you are the first to know when I upload anything new.